Usage of OSMO Pocket 3 with protective case and carrying bag. OSMO Pocket 3 Standard Combo and Creator Combo also offer two more reliable storage options. Protective case. After the device is powered off, it will automatically enter storage mode. Simply turn the screen inward and align to the top end of the gimbal axis arm with the top end of the protective case. Then fit the camera in the case. In case that you have other accessories, as in the wide-angle lens, black mist filter, and DJI Mic 2, the protective case supports storing them with the camera. When the lens is equipped with the wide-angle lens or other accessories, the lens direction will be changed in storage mode, allowing the camera to be directly stored in the protective case with the accessories. Carrying bag. Place the tripod, battery handle, DJI Mic 2 transmitter, and handle with 1/4-inch thread in the middle compartment. The inner compartment is designed with an elastic band slot, allowing for the placement of accessories, such as the wide-angle lens and black mist filter. Fit the camera into the carrying bag, in the compartment near the DJI logo with the touchscreen facing inward. Other accessories such as the charge cable and DJI Mic 2 windscreen can be stored at the compartment on the other side. Zip up the zipper, and you're ready to take the versatile small carrying bag with you for shooting on the go.